Hi there, welcome back to Google Doogle channel. There are a few interesting stories and legends I found associated with SMITSWINKLE Bay. Firstly, the bay was called Patience after the tiny stream flowing into it, as mariners had to be very patient to fill their water casks due to the slow trickle of water. And another one was the name SMITSWINKLE means smith's shop, in Afrikaans of course, but its exact origin is unknown. It may refer to a local landowner or blacksmith, or the two prominent rocks on the beach that resemble a blacksmith's anvil. Another one is in 1916, SMITSWINKLE Bay was proclaimed a campsite, and the community has celebrated its 100th anniversary back in 2016. The bay is mentioned in a legend about the legendary South African swimmer Tony Scalabrino, who once spotted a penguin while swimming from Miller's Point to SMITSWINKLE Bay. Some residents also believe that SMITSWINKLE Bay has a way of resetting them, and personally I can say that experience is true, and that the experience of hiking down and back up the steep trail helps them deal with their worries and baggage. Well, I didn't have much baggage to carry down there from the car park, but it certainly was a reset, and I would welcome anyone to have a look around just to relax and enjoy the calm waters of the Cape here at this point. Oh, and of course, speaking of points, looking up the road up that way, we are looking towards the Cape Point Nature Reserve, the Cape of Good Hope. Certainly worthwhile having a drive around through there. You'll see the lighthouse and some very nice open spaces. Bird life is amazing. There are a few zebra and various other wild animals. Have a look, it's really worth the trip. Whenever I look out over the bay, False Bay, and I see Hunklip far away in the distance there, I think how often I've been out there and how few visitors we get to that side of the bay, really. I mean, it's pretty isolated, it's remote. Tourism is a big thing in Cape Town, but that side is kind of forgotten. It is worth exploring across the bay there. And of course, visitors to this channel will see a lot of coverage of that area. I've covered royals and fly-throughs around that area quite a lot. Go and have a look at those. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.